A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to A&B Exam Forum. Student, in the PYQ series, today our topic will be memory from the computer awareness. Student, this memory is very important topic in the computer, and we have seen a lot of questions related to memory in the various competitive examination, and all these PYQ which we are presenting in today's session are being asked in various competitive examination including RRB, SSC, ISRO, DRDO in the recent year. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's begin the session. So before proceeding, let's see what are the important subtopics related to this particular chapter. First, you need to remember all the measurement unit of what? Data. Okay, like you have heard MB, GB, TB, all those measurement unit and their conversion you should be very efficient, and you will find 1 to 2 questions from this topic itself. Okay, the second important topic is the type of memory. As we know, there are certain kind of memory like primary memory, second memory. Okay, those type of memories you should know. And the most important, the characteristic of each memory. Like we have different type of memory. Some are volatile, some are non-volatile. Those terminology and the meaning you should know. I'm not covering the concept part in this video. In this video, we are focusing on the previous year questions. Our objective is not to make your concept clear in this particular session. Okay, just for timing, you go with all these topics. Okay, so the first question is on your screen and your time starts now. So the question says arrange in increasing order. Okay, so increasing order means what? Which of the following is the lowest in size? Okay, so as you know, the lowest one is what? In fact, lowest one is bit, but from these four, out of these four, lowest one is kilobyte. Kilobyte, kilo means, as you know, it is 2 power 10 byte, that is 1024 bytes. Okay, this is equal to 1 KB. Okay, I will share one table for you, don't worry. Okay, first is kilobyte. After that, we know that 1024 KB become MB. Okay, the second one is this one, and 1024 MB become what? GB. So this will be the third, and the last one is the TB. Okay, terabyte. So of this four. So if you see kilobyte, megabyte, terabyte, gigabyte and terabyte. Okay, so option C is the order which we are looking: kilobyte, MB, gigabyte and terabyte. And student, I request all the student to make this chart for your reference. This is very good chart, and here you will find everything. 1 bit, as I told you, it is binary digit, so 0 and 1. 1 nibble consists of 4 bits and a half of byte. Okay, and 1 byte is, as I told you, it is 8 bit, and 1 KB is 1024 byte. In other words, it is also known as 2 power 10 bytes. If you convert 2 power 10, it will become 1024. Then 1 MB is 1024 KB, 1 GB is 1024 MB, and if you go on, right now we are dealing with GB, so 1 TB will become equal to 1024 GB. Okay, and if you go till beyond the maximum, as of now we know that the maximum unit we find is yottabyte, which is 1024 zettabyte. Zettabyte is exabyte, exabyte is petabyte, petabyte is terabyte, and terabyte we have 1024 GB. Okay, so this table you can take a screenshot of it. It will be very beneficial for your competitive examination. Coming to the next, where is a cache memory located? It is pronunciation is cache. Okay, like cache, CASH. It is pronounced as cache, but the spelling is CASHE. Okay, So cache memory, remember student, we have, as I told you in the first session, we have CPU, and inside CPU I told you there are three things basically. First one is what? Your CU, ALU and memory. This is one aspect. Okay, this is primary memory, but in order to make more access easily, once you are reducing your access time, this cache memory is located between this memory and this memory. Okay, this primary memory. So I will make one diagram for you. Okay, so the fastest memory is the top. It are registers, or registers are also storing data. What are register? Register are electronic component which store the data. Okay, after that the fastest memory is the cache memory. After that you have your what? RAM memory. Okay, after that you have your secondary memory. After that you have tertiary memory, you can say magnetic tape, which are sequential in nature. Okay, magnetic tape. So based on the access time, your fastest memory is register, but they are asking where is cache memory located. It is located inside the CPU. Okay, so option B, those who have given well and good, they are right. So option B is the right answer. Coming to the next, which of the following is type of read-only memory can be erased by exposing to electrical charge and can be reprogrammed? Okay, student, there are two type of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Okay, and primary, there are certain other memory as well, like ROM, RAM. Okay, RAM, ROM. What is ROM? It is read-only memory. It is random access memory. Okay, and ROM, again you can divide in certain parts like EEPROM. Prom means ROM, you know, read-only memory. P means programmable, so it is programmable ROM. It is electrically erasable programmable ROM. Electrically, since we are passing the electrically charge and can be reprogrammed. Okay, so electrically erasable programmable ROM is the right answer for this question. Okay, these three, option A, B, C, these are the different forms of the ROM memory. Okay, read-only memory. So option A is the right answer. Coming to the next question, which of the following is incorrect? Okay, let's see one by one. So 1 MB is 2 power 13 bit. Okay, remember it's not a byte, it bits, so it is correct. How it is correct? So as we know that 1 MB is equal to 2 power 10 KB. Okay, I should remove this. It itself means KB, and as you know, byte consists of 8 bit. Okay, and as you know, 8 bit is what? 2 power 3, so it will become 2 power 13 bit. So A is correct. 1 GB is 2 power 20 byte. Let's see. As you know, let me make a diagram for you. First is byte, then kilobyte, then megabyte, then GB. So 1 make 2 power 10. Okay, so how many bytes? 2 power 10 bytes become 1 KB. 2 power 10 KB become 2 KB become 1 MB. This is 1 MB, and 2 power 10 MB become 1 GB. So if you multiply all this, you get 2 power 30 byte. Okay, and here it is 2 power 20. So this is incorrect. It should be 2 power 30. Let's see the answer. Yes, it's option B. Option B is the right answer. Coming to the next question, a very simple one. So as I told you, there are two types of memory: primary memory, secondary memory. And the example of secondary memory is the hard disk, and hard disk is one of the secondary storage. Okay, option D is the right answer. Coming to the next question, this we have already seen. I have told you that there is various kind of memory, and out of these the register memory is the fastest memory. After register, the second most fastest is cache memory, after that main memory, after that flash memory. Okay, so the order will be the same, so option A is the right answer. Coming to the next question, 100 nibble is equal to how many bits? So we know that 1 nibble equal to half byte is 4 bit. So this is just a simple calculation. So 100 nibble will be just unitary method, 4 into 100, that is 400 bits. Okay, so option D, those who have given well and good, they are very good. Coming to the next question, each cell of the memory device is capable of storing 1 bit of information. What does this bit means? Okay, as we know that bit means 0 and 1, but the full form of bit is binary digits. So binary means 2, so we have 2 digits, so that's why it is called bit. BI from binary and T from the last letter of the digit, so it is bit. So option B is the right answer. Coming to the next question, which of the following work as a buffer between CPU and main memory to prevent processor for waiting program data from main memory? So we know that we have CPU and we have memory, and CPU consists of CU, ALU, and in between there is one memory, as I told you earlier, which is called cache memory, which is present between the CPU and the main memory. Okay, main memory, it is also known as primary memory. Okay, so why it is in between? So instead of accessing main memory all the time, CPU will look data in the cache memory. So in this way, it is a buffer basically, and it increases the access time and the performance. So as you know, this is cache memory, and the answer for this question will be cache memory. So option A is the right answer. Coming to the next question, 1 TB is equal to how much? So right now every computer system has specification of 1 TB, and 1 TB we know that it is 1024 GB. Okay, so a very simple one. So option D, those who have given well and good, that is the right answer. Coming to the next question, which of the following statement is true? So the statement consists of SRAM and DRAM. SRAM is static RAM, whereas DRAM stand for dynamic RAM. Okay, the difference between static RAM and DRAM is that DRAM require periodic refreshing. Okay, so DRAM require periodic refreshing, not SRAM. So this is incorrect. DRAM is faster than SRAM. No, static is always faster. This is incorrect. SRAM is non-volatile. All the RAM, whether it is SRAM or DRAM, all are volatile in nature. Again, this is incorrect. But both SRAM and DRAM are a kind of random access memory. So option D is the right answer for this question. Coming to the next question, which of the following is not an internal part of computer? So RAM is internal part of computer, motherboard is internal part of computer, video card is internal card, whereas flash drive, which is basically external to the PC, which are commonly known as pen drive also. So these are not part of internal of the computer. So option D is the right answer. Coming to the next question, the term byte was coined by, a very difficult one, but you need to remember that Werner Buchholz, Werner Buchholz has coined this term, and Larry Page, as you know, he is related to Google. Winthrop Cerf, he is known for internet related protocols, whereas Steve Jobs is related to your Apple computer. Okay, he is the founder of Apple. So option B is the right answer for this question. Coming to the next question, Google Drive, SkyDrive, Dropbox, these nowadays we are hearing, and these are perfect example of, as all of you know, that is, these are the cloud storage. Okay, these are not stored on the your PC, it is stored somewhere else, which is outside your network. Okay, and you can access those with the help of internet. So option D is the right answer. Which of the following is not a property of ROM? ROM is read-only memory, and read-only memory, you know that it is volatile or non-volatile? Yes, it is non-volatile. So option C, it is not a volatile, it is a non-volatile memory. Volatile means the information will be lost if the power is gone. Okay, whereas read-only memory, if power is lost, nothing will be lost, it will retain in that memory. Okay, so ROM is a non-volatile memory, whereas RAM is the volatile memory. Okay, so option C is the right answer. So coming to the next question, 1 EB equal to, what is this EB? In the first table, if you go, it is exabyte. Okay, let me go to the first slide. So if you go 1 exabyte is 1024 petabytes PB. Okay, so let me go to that question quickly. So 1 exabyte is equal to 1024 PB. Just you need to remember a lot of measurement. Okay, so option D is the right answer. Which of the following require a device driver? Okay, so whenever the device is external to the PC, those require device driver. Okay, since cache, main, register, these are internal to the computer, whereas disk is somewhat external. Okay, so this required disk driver, which drives the disk. Okay, so option D, those who have given well and good. Coming to the next very good question, in fact, which of the following is not related to measurement of memory capacity? Okay, GB means gigabyte, TB means terabyte, HB we don't know, and ZB means zotabyte. Okay, so HB is not related to the measurement, so option C is the right answer. So 1024 GB, just we have seen it is 1 TB. Okay, a very simple one. Nowadays we have 1 TB hard disk. In fact, it is 1024 GB. So option B. So as you can see, we have seen a lot of question on the measurements. So go with the measurement related tabulation concept. Okay. Which of the following option, which is the smallest unit of memory? YB, ZB, EB, and TB. And we know that TB is the smallest. If you go with that table that we have shown in the first slide, so you will come to know that TB is the smallest out of these 4 options. So TB is the right answer. Coming to the next question, which of the memory can be programmed once by the user and cannot be erased and reprogrammed? Okay, flash memory, as you know, it can be reprogrammed. Flash memory you can consider as a pen drive, so you can read, write pen drive as many as you want. Okay, but these are only once time. Okay, so whenever it is programmed once, it cannot be erased and reprogrammed. They are read-only memory. So once you have programmed, it cannot be reprogrammed again. So that's why it has become read-only, right? So option B is the right answer. Coming to the next question, the storage capacity of a 3.5-inch floppy disk, which was used in the olden days, the size, just remember, it is 1.44 MB. I know I have also seen these type of floppy disk in my college days, and the size is 1.44 MB. Okay, so option B is the right answer. I think we have 2 or 3 questions more for this particular topic. Which of the following is a volatile memory? Again, the characteristic of memory, volatile and non-volatile, which I already discussed with you. So volatile memory is basically RAM, which when power is gone, everything is gone. So RAM is just a volatile memory. Non-volatile memory is a type of memory in which it can retain the stored information even when computer is what? Not powered. Okay, so not powered. Even if it is not powered, even it can retain the information. That is what non-volatile memory, and we know the example is read-only memory. Okay. Coming to the next question, which of the following is the largest unit of memory of computer system? And we have seen in that table, if you go yottabyte is the largest memory which we know as of today. Okay, so option D, just remember it is yottabyte is the largest unit. Which of the following is a primary memory? A very simple one. We know that there are two kind of memory: primary memory, secondary memory, and CD is secondary, DVD is secondary, USB is tertiary. These are tertiary memory, basically not secondary at all, and RAM is the primary memory. Okay, so option B is the right answer. What is the location of RAM in computer? A very simple one, and if you open your CPU, you will find a motherboard, and inside that motherboard you will find one slot. In that slot your RAM will be there, and these slots are PCI, okay, peripheral connect interface. In that your RAM is located. So option D is the right answer. I think this is the last question of this topic. What does worm stand for? Okay, it is not the virus or the malware that we have seen in that topic. Okay, the worm stand for write once read many. Okay, write once read many. So option D should be the right answer, and this is the right answer. So we have seen 30 question in I think 20 minutes for this particular topic we have seen. Okay, so we have completed this particular topic as well, and thank you for watching. And if you have anything to say regarding this video or any other query you want, you can ping a message to our comment box. We will try to answer your question. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.